Good afternoon. We, the Ministry of Education, Heritage and Arts, in partnership with Telecom Fiji Ltd, are launching our Learning Hub today. The Learning Hub provides access to supplementary learning materials prepared by the Ministry and its partners. The Learning Hub is hosted on Telecom's cloud platform and will allow students, parents, teachers, and the general public access to these materials. Those accessing these materials from Telecom's network can do so at no cost. However, if you are accessing this from any other network, for example, Vodafone or Digicel, you will incur normal data costs. The platform can be accessed through a link on our ministry's homepage or on our Facebook. Resources include worksheets, audio and video lessons, Bula Kids episodes, and some psychological support materials. These can be viewed multiple times. However, they cannot be downloaded due to copyright restrictions. The Ministry will continue to add resources regularly. I wish to express my sincere thanks to TFL for coming on board and helping assure continued education support for our Fijian children during this time. The safety of our children and their continued education is of great importance to us. We cannot predict how the situation evolves in the coming days. It's initiatives such as this that really ensure that all possible efforts are made to provide educational support to our students. We do not want students to be disadvantaged. The Ministry encourages parents and students to take advantage of this Learning Hub, visit it, watch the resources, and please take some time out to fill the questionnaire that is on the homepage to give us your feedback.
The Permanent Secretary, the entire Ministry of Education, Heritage and Arts team, media team, and telecom team. Bula Vinaka, and a very good afternoon to all of you. Thanks for joining. Firstly, I would like to extend our sincere appreciation and thanks to the Ministry of Education, the Minister, the Permanent Secretary, and the entire team at the Ministry of Education for this very exciting partnership, which we believe will truly revolutionize the way education system operates. The Learning Hub portal is developed and will be hosted by Telecom Fiji locally for the Ministry of Education, Heritage and Arts. Through this portal, students will be able to access the stored education materials at any time, learn at their own pace, at any time of the day or night, based on their individual preferences. It is a comprehensive tool that aims to help students across Fiji obtain easy access to informative and educational learning materials at their fingertips. The features and benefits of this Learning Hub portal includes the portal will be available 24/7 as long as students or anyone having access to internet connection in Fiji can access any of the content which is hosted on the platform. And the Learning Hub portal will be hosted locally in Fiji on Telecom's cloud infrastructure, so the speed will be faster and also the video quality will be optimized to suit the different connection types that different users might be using to access the content. We certainly believe that the Learning Hub portal will revolutionize the education system in Fiji, especially when we as a country are already adopting ICT technologies in other areas. In future, the portal can be further enhanced with additional features and benefits, including interactive capabilities. With those few words, we once again thank the Ministry of Education on this great project and a great initiative, and Telecom Fiji looks forward to making this a success for the benefit of all Fijian students. Thank you.